Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're delving into how to use Todoist for managing your marketing campaigns, your complete 2025 guide. So, let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to create a new project. To do this, click on the plus icon and name your project something like Marketing Campaign 2025. This step is crucial because it serves as your campaign's home base, keeping all related tasks collected in one place. Now that we've done that, you'll want to add tasks to your project. Simply hit the Quick Add Task button and start jotting down all the tasks associated with your campaign. The beauty of Todoist is that you can set due dates and assign tasks to team members. This helps to keep everyone on the same page and ensures that no task falls through the cracks. Next up is creating sections. Sections let you group related tasks together, making your project organized and easy to navigate. For instance, you can create sections like content creation, social media, and email marketing. The reason we do this is to keep our project neat and tidy, enhancing productivity and workflow. Let me explain why this next step matters. You should use labels and filters to manage your tasks more effectively. Labels allow you to categorize tasks by their nature, like at writing or at design, and filters let you view tasks based on certain criteria, like due next week. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By implementing these, you're able to zero in on specific tasks quickly, saving time and effort. Now, the final step is to review your tasks regularly. Todoist's today and upcoming views allow you to easily see what you need to work on now and what's coming up next. By reviewing tasks frequently, you ensure that your marketing campaign stays on track and nothing gets missed. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Todoist for managing your marketing campaigns. It's simple, efficient, and a great way to keep your marketing team synchronized and productive. Until next time, happy organizing.